Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In this video I want to show you quickly how you can resolve the clean marker on your Krups EA81 series. And this one is really simple. It's related to the frother that needs cleaning, but instead of completely removing this and rinsing it in the sink, of course you have to do this. Yeah, you have to clean the internal part. So first of all, what you need to do is keep pressing on this one, or just press, and then you will be guided on what you have to do. So first of all, this will blink. This means, yeah, you have to remove the residue chamber, clean it, put it back. Then make sure you have enough water in the tank. And third step is push here, and inside of this chamber you put the small pill that is actually a citric acid pill, which I did already. Yeah, and then remove this, clean it, and take a big bowl. Yeah, and once this doesn't blink anymore, in the video I think it blinks, but here doesn't blink. Okay, resuming. So put a big bowl inside. This doesn't blink anymore, even though on the screen you see it blinking. This is due to the frame rate. But anyway, just click on this rinsing button over here, and it will do its job. Okay, so now it's finished after 15 minutes. The process itself took 15 minutes. You can see how dirty the water is. Yeah, at some point it stopped and then started beeping. Yeah, you only have to click rinse again, and then it will flush the entire system again in order to not have any more citric acid inside the machine. So as you can see, this is the result of the water. So the unit knows exactly when to clean itself. Yeah, and you can see that no more clean marker is open. Yeah, there. Okay, so if you consider, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.